Thank you to the people over at Active for sending me this product sample of their toilet bowl cleaner. I don't know about you, but I'm not a huge fan of cleaning the toilet, so this is something that helps me out to try and clean it over time on its own. One thing I love about it right away, you get 12 tablets, which should last you up to a year because each tablet is about 30 days, so we'll change ours out once a month, so that's great that it will last throughout the entire year. The scent is not too overpowering. I would say it smells fresh in the bathroom, but it's not something that's going to be overbearing in the bathroom, so I do like that aspect to it as well. Super simple to use. You just take out the package, and then, you know what, let's actually take one out here. So each one comes in its individual package. Then you can open it up and put it in your toilet. Now when you are using it and when you plan on using it on your toilet, they recommend step one to lightly use a brush on the toilet first to kind of kick up any particles or anything in there to kind of help clean it on its own. And then after that, you can take off the lid to it and make sure that you are wearing gloves when you use this product. You'll see later, I'm going to do a demonstration at the end. I didn't have gloves around the house, unfortunately, so I just cut off the end of it here and make sure not to touch it and drop it in there, so that worked out for me to do it that way. When you put it in there, make sure it's not next to any parts in the bottom of the toilet, and then you should wait 30 to 60 minutes before flushing it. Then you should be good to go for a month. It is safe for septic systems as well. It says right on the package that it is safe for that as well, which is wonderful. So really simple product to use, something that you'll use every single day, and you just got to put it in once a month and you're good to go for that month. So it's 30 days or 300 flushes. I just go by once a month because it's easier for me to remember. But stay tuned for the demonstration, how I show you how to use this product, and like I said, works for me. Hope it works for you. Thanks. Alright, so like I said before, use a toilet brush to lightly scrub the toilet bowl. I already did that. Wear gloves when handling this product. Unfortunately, I don't have any gloves here, but I was able to cut the package, so I'm not even going to touch inside at all. I'm just going to have it drop from the plastic package. Number 3, carefully remove the toilet tank lid like that, so then you can expose the top. And then place the tablet inside the toilet water tank in the open space away from internal parts. So if we look inside, I'm going to place it in this area here, away from parts. And then once you are done with that, you can place the toilet tank lid back on the tank, and then wait 30 to 60 minutes before flushing. I'm going to make sure that I wait at least that long before flushing. So let's drop this in. You can see that's what it looks like on the inside. Obviously, if I had gloves, I would take it out, but I want to make sure not to touch it because I don't have gloves on. But go ahead and drop it in the tank. Come on. There we go. So you can see it is there in the tank now. And then I'm going to put the lid back on and let it sit for 30 to 60 minutes. And we will see how well it gets cleaned. Thanks.